on earth. From out beyond your star, we were amazed to find your beauty and your worth, and we will protect your kind. And we will protect your earth, and we will protect your earth, and we will protect you.
For the place where I'm free to live together and exist as we.
I will fight in the name of Rose Quartz and everything that she believed in. I will fight for the world I was made in. The earth is everything I've ever known.
I will fight to be everything that everybody wants me to be when I'm grown. The odds are against us, it won't be easy, but we're not going.